Hi, humanities students. I'm Susan Henry, and this is World Mythology. You might wonder, what does the humanities mean? Well, the humanities are the things that make us human. It is the study of the human experience, and certainly myths are one of the things that make us human. A lot of times in college, when you see the word humanities, you will see the word interdisciplinary next to it. Now, this means disciplines in the sense of fields of study, subjects of study. Math is a discipline, art is a discipline, economics is a discipline, and interdisciplinary classes are combinations of the different disciplines. I think of the study of mythology as a combination of literature and anthropology and a little religious studies and a few other things. So it is an interdisciplinary field. And most of my students enjoy these stories very much, and I hope you will too. I would also like to talk about the ideas of analysis and synthesis. This is a little pedagogy for you, a little science of teaching. I think probably most of the learning that you have done in your life has been analysis. I think you have approached most of your subjects as one large thing, and you have come to understand this subject, like say history, by looking at its smaller components and understanding its smaller components. You break the subject down. But in the humanities, we do that, but we also do a lot of synthesis. That means that we give you the individual pieces and we ask you to put them together and say, what is this? What is this larger entity? So we give you the individual stories and you put them together and you come to a conclusion, your own conclusion, about the world, about human beings, about an event in history that the myth might be connected to. The result is that every essay is different, and that's why it's fun for me. And if I could give a little analogy, it's like baking cakes. I could bake a cake and I could hand you a slice of that cake and you would take a bite and you'd say, chocolate, coconut, cinnamon, baking powder. What you're doing is analyzing. That's analysis. But I want you to do synthesis. So I am going to hand you a whole bunch of ingredients. You are going to decide which of those ingredients to use. You're going to decide how much of each to use. You're going to decide what order to mix them in. And then you're going to decide how long to bake the whole thing. And the result is it's your own original cake. So, welcome to Humanities 115 World Mythology.